Greetings everyone. We're from Porus team and today we're going to present our solution regarding the case of Dapur Kita. So first of all, what is Dapur Kita? Dapur Kita is a service provider that focuses on providing kitchen space and equipment for small to medium enterprises. So those enterprises don't need to procure their own space and equipment in order to fulfill their day-to-day operations. But unfortunately, Dapur Kita faces many problems today, and those problems comprise multiple aspects. The aspects that Dapur Kita faces problems in are inventory management, reservation pipeline, land management, and operations. And although it is ideal if we intend to solve all those problems in all of those aspects, we believe that the financial limitation that Dapur Kita currently has uh, make solving all of those problems not feasible. This is due to the financial limitation of Dapur Kita, due to the limited number of income and the high amount of expense that they accrue from the previous years of business operations. So therefore, we believe that we should focus on only two aspects of those problems. The first one is the problem of reservation, and the second one is the problem of management systems. We believe that we could use an online booking application provided by simplybook.me, which is a subscription-based software solution service, and also an inventory management system provided by Odoo, which is another software system or SaaS solution based on subscription model. And we believe that these solutions could be developed within only 43 days because we don't need to hire our own developers since we only need to procure those applications and they're ready to use. And the implementation cost is also fairly cost effective, which only at 6.2 million Indonesian rupiah. And we believe that we could uh, receive a return on investment of 7.52%. And all of those perks of our solution, we believe will increase the operational and marketing efficiency of Dapur Kita while maintaining cost efficiency and effectiveness. In order to provide you with a clear pictures regarding our solution, first of all, I will demonstrate to you the use of simplybook.me application. As we could see here, this page is the customer-facing side of the simplybook.me application. And you could see here that the application provides you the details of Dapur Kita, such as, for example, the opening hours and the contact informations. And the most important part, which is the booking part of this application, could be seen by clicking this button, Book Now, and you could see the services provided by Dapur Kita. You could see the different services based on the rental time, such as per hour, per 3 hours, or per day, for example. And you could see the details of the price and the deposit that should be sent by the customer to Dapur Kita. And by clicking the Read More button, we could see the terms and conditions of each services. Now, one of the main problems that is being faced by Dapur Kita is conflicting schedule that needs to be resolved manually. By using this application, we could resolve all those conflicting schedules automatically through the use of this application. So, in this case, customer could choose the preferred date of using the service, for example, 9 October, and they could see the available start times and the end times of those services. And for example, by clicking one of those times, we could confirm our payment by entering our name, for example, like this. And we could confirm our booking, and a notice to verify our payment will be sent to the customer. And that's it. That's for the reservation. Pretty easy, right? And now for the admin page, which is also provided by simplybook.me, it's like this. It's very similar to the interface of the WordPress application, which means that developing a Dapur Kita reservation system doesn't need any coders or programmers since it's all provided by a user interface system. For example, we could customize the design. We could also customize the design, and also we could set our schedules like this, and also the services that is being provided, all by using a easy to use user interface system. Even we could also see the marketing analytics for this application. And finally, the last killer feature is website integration. Could see here, and we could integrate this Simplybook application with WordPress as a widget, for example, or other websites that Dapur Kita has. And that's it for the simplybook.me. And now I'll present to you our solution regarding inventory management system using Odoo software. Now in this Odoo software, we'll only use it internally. And here we could add our inventory, such as we could create our own inventory here. For example, and paid, and we could update quantity and save it. And we could see all the products that is being stored in the warehouse or in the kitchen of Dapur Kita. And we could also update the quantity of the inventory after inventory checkings that is being done every day. So for example, we change it to 8 due to some broken glasses, and we could track the changes of numbers over time. So in this case, by seeing that there are changes in inventory numbers in those times, we could track equipment loss or equipment damage to a certain time slot that is being used by clients. So therefore, we could improve the traceability of equipment loss or damage, so we could incur those damages to the customers in order to reduce our expenses. And we believe that that is a very cost-effective solution because we don't need to procure any hosting solutions. We don't need to hire any developers. All of those are already provided by those service providers, and therefore we believe that these two solutions will improve the current conditions of Dapur Kita while maintaining cost effectiveness. Thank you, everyone.